50 years after the original Lotus Esprit concept stunned crowds in 1975, a new chapter quietly begins with the Encore Series 1. It is not a wild reinterpretation or a loud reboot. Instead, it feels like someone who truly loved the Esprit has gone back, listened carefully to what it always wanted to be, and finally given it the tools to get there. Encore started by treating the Esprit as something precious, not disposable. The team digitally scanned the original car, cleaned up its lines, and reshaped the body in carbon fiber. The big mold line of the old fiberglass shell is gone, replaced by a single, crisp carbon skin that makes the shape look as sharp and pure as the early design sketches. Ultra-compact light emitting diode units hide in low-profile pop-up housings, so the classic wedge face stays intact, only now with modern brightness and better airflow. Underneath, this is still a Lotus Esprit 8-cylinder car at heart. The backbone chassis is stripped, restored, and paired with a rebuilt 3.5-liter twin turbocharged 8-cylinder engine. With forged internals, renewed turbochargers, and modern fuel and cooling systems, it now targets about 400 brake horsepower and 350 pounds-feet of torque, pushing under 1,200 kilograms. The goal is 0 to 62 miles per hour in around 4 seconds and a top speed near 175 miles per hour. The 5-speed manual transmission is re-engineered with stronger parts, revised gearing, and a limited slip differential, while suspension and racing brakes bring the dynamics up to modern expectations. Importantly, the steering stays hydraulic, so the driver still feels that honest, old-school feedback. Inside, you sit low in a cabin that feels familiar but beautifully remade. The sloped dashboard, tartan touches, and driver-focused layout are all there, only with richer materials, a solid aluminium instrument pod, and discrete information and climate controls. It is an analog car with carefully chosen technology that simply helps and never shouts.